Hello everyone, my name is Soni and I am here to tell you why is plastic playing a negative role in our lives and why we should start using reusable bags instead of plastic bags. As we all know, global warming is a very serious problem across the globe. Global warming, also known as climate change, is the observed century scale rise in the average temperature of the Earth's climate system. Plastic has a major role contribution to the increase in climate change. Plastic is versatile, lightweight, flexible, moisture resistant, strong, and relatively inexpensive. Those are attractive qualities that lead us to such a voracious appetite and overconsumption of plastic goods. Plastic bags and climate change are linked in a variety of ways. From air quality to ocean toxicity, plastic bags contribute to ecosystem disruption. An estimated 12 million barrels of oil are used to manufacture the 30 million plastic bags that Americans use each year. This is unnecessary and it contributes to CO2 buildup in our atmosphere. Not just that, these plastic bags build up in the ocean, which is a greater cause of the disruption of ecosystem. Large number of marine animals die by either ingesting these bags or suffocating on them. All this plastic is toxic and majorly affects our food supply. One of the main toxins is dioxin, an endocrine disruptor that is also known as gender bender pollutant. Increased levels of many man-made pollutants are found in remote areas like Arctic Ocean, which are affecting the polar bears and other Arctic mammals, and further adding to the stress of adapting to new climate change and habitat changes. We should really think of how these pollutants are affecting our lives. Let's jump onto the statistics of plastic pollution. It is believed that 5.25 trillion pieces of plastic debris is in the ocean, out of which 269,000 tons float on the surface and some 4 billion plastic microfibers are scattered in the deep sea. Plastic is the number one man-made thing that is found in the oceans by sailors. Worldwide, 13,000 to 15,000 pieces of plastic are dumped into the ocean every day. Scientists have identified 405 areas worldwide where no life organisms can grow due to plastic pollution. These known areas are known as dead zones. Every year, 17 million barrels of oil is used to produce bottled water, that is approximately 340 million gallons of gasoline. One of Only 1 in 5 of these plastic bottles are recycled. The other four contribute to the 3 million pounds of plastic waste added to landfills every year. These statistics have considerably high figures, which clearly signifies that plastic pollution is a major cause of climate change and it is a really big problem. Global warming and plastic pollution are a huge threat to life. It is basically impossible to stop the use of plastic as everyone uses plastic in their daily life in one or another way. But we can certainly minimize the use of plastic bags and bottles in order to save the world from global warming. There are various ways to minimize the use of plastic in daily life. For example, we can use reusable bags for grocery shopping instead of plastic bags, as a single plastic bag can take 1,000 years to degrade. We can use the second option is that we can reuse mugs or containers instead of using plastic bottles. We can choose cardboard or plastic bottles and bags. We can store food in cardboard boxes instead of plastic bags, plastic wraps, and or plastic storage. The best solution of our plastic problem is to reduce our use of plastics and to reuse and recycle whenever possible. More policies that ban plastic bag use, require bottle deposits, and expand recycling would help. But millions of tons of plastic waste still sit in landfills around the country. Technologies that are able to tap this waste as a resource can offer multiple benefits, such as helping to clean up the environment, lessen our dependence on foreign oil, decrease our use of non-renewable resources, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and generate energy. Thus, we have had several reasons which signifies us that we should minimize the use of plastic bags. Doing so would result in decrease of plastic pollution and also global warming. Thank you.